Hello, everyone. Today, let's learn 12 simple English words about clothes. Ready? Let's go. This is a t-shirt. Repeat after me. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. I wear a t-shirt. Look, these are jeans. Jeans, jeans, jeans. These are my jeans. She wears a dress. Dress, dress, dress. She wears a red dress. It's hot today. I wear shorts. Shorts, shorts, shorts. I wear shorts in summer. What is this? It's a hat. Hat, hat, hat. She wears a big hat. Put on your shoes. Shoes, shoes, shoes. I wear shoes every day. Brrr! It's cold! I wear a jacket. Jacket, jacket, jacket. He wears a warm jacket. Brrr! It's cold again. Look, this is a scarf. Scarf, scarf, scarf. I wear a scarf in winter. What's this? It's a beanie. Beanie, beanie, beanie. He wears a yellow beanie. This is a coat. Coat, coat, coat. Dad wears a long coat. Put on your gloves. Gloves, gloves, gloves. I wear gloves when it's cold. Hey, what's this on my head? It's a cap. Cap, cap, cap. I wear a cap in the sun. Now, let's use the words we learned in a little story about the great beanie hunt. Are you ready? Close your eyes and imagine. Sunday morning. The air was freezing. Anna opened her wardrobe and gasped, "No! I can't find my beanie." Dad was making coffee. He asked, "Did you check your coat pockets?" Anna dug into them. Nothing but a cookie. Her brother Ben came downstairs wearing jeans and a t-shirt, grinning. "Maybe you're already wearing it?" Anna looked in the mirror. No beanie. Mom, putting on her scarf, said, "Did anyone check the shoes? Last time you put a spoon in there." Anna bent down, and there it was. Her pink beanie was tucked inside a boot. "Beanie, why did you crawl in there?" she giggled. Finally, everyone was ready. Dad wore his jacket, Mom had her dress on, Ben wore a cap, and Anna proudly wore her ice-cold beanie. And off they went to the park, warm, happy, and all together. Sometimes, little things like a missing beanie can turn into a big adventure. But next time, maybe putting things back in the right place will save us all some time and cookies. Quiz time. Let's keep going. What is this? Hot. Good job. What do you wear at home to relax? T-shirt. Good job. What does a girl wear to a party? Dress. Good job. What do you wear when it's hot? Shorts. Good job. What do you wear on your feet every day? Shoes. Good job. What pants go with everything? Jeans. Good job. What is this? Cap. That's right. What keeps your neck warm? Scarf. Well done. What do you wear when it's really cold? Coat. Excellent. Which one is soft and covers your head? Beanie. You got it. What do you wear on your hands? Gloves. Good job. You did a great job today. Remember to watch this video again tomorrow to remember better. Comment below. What are you wearing today? In English. See you next time.